Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use cow skin. First, you'll need to cure the raw hide. Begin by carefully cleaning it, removing all flesh and fat. Next, apply a generous layer of salt to both sides. This helps draw out moisture and prevents decay. Finally, let the hide dry completely for several days in a cool, well-ventilated area. This initial step is crucial for preserving the material before further processing. Once cured, the next vital step is tanning, which transforms the hide into durable leather. Start by soaking the dried hide in water to rehydrate it completely. Then, prepare your chosen tanning solution. This could involve natural barks or specific chemicals. Carefully immerse the hide in this solution, ensuring it's fully submerged for the recommended duration, which can be several weeks for some methods. This process stabilizes the collagen fibers. After tanning, the leather needs finishing to become pliable and attractive. Rinse the tanned hide thoroughly to remove any residual tanning agents. Next, apply nourishing oils and fats like neatsfoot oil to condition and soften the material. This step is essential for flexibility. You'll then stretch and work the leather, perhaps by hand or with specialized tools, to achieve the desired texture and suppleness, making it ready for its final purpose. With your leather now fully processed, it's time for the exciting part. Crafting. You can cut the finished leather into specific shapes and sizes, depending on what you plan to create. This versatile material is perfect for making durable items such as bags, wallets, belts, or even upholstery. Don't forget you can also add dyes to achieve different colors or emboss decorative patterns to enhance its aesthetic appeal. Enjoy bringing your leather projects to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.